What up, guys? So we're doing another rewatch today. This is... I probably should have done the other game, but maybe we'll do both. So this is game one of last Saturday? What was it? Maybe it was Friday or Saturday. We've got Chase. Larry's over here. Joel and Travis versus Jake. This is Tanner's forward military. Tanner, Alex, and Taylor. Now we've got about a minute. We're going to pause it right here. We've got a minute before treaty drops, so people are ready. We see Larry is in full go. He's pumping out troops. I don't know. Let's look at his stuff. So Larry's he's pumping out troops. He's almost done with his, or at least at a stopping point with his trade cards, and he's getting his upgrades. He's doing all the stuff he's supposed to do. Meanwhile, on the other side, where is Taylor? Taylor is over here. He's got kind of a house wall thing going on, and it looks like he's building, but he's close. He's got no military getting built, though. He's got a minute left, and Larry is at his doorstep. So we're going to see what happens there. We got Alex built a random town center. I don't know why Alex built a town center up there, but he did. Probably for villagers, actually. Now I'm thinking about it. He probably did that so he can put villagers in front. Mr. I like to just spam villagers and build. And then he's building a couple of military. So Larry definitely has the drop on these guys. Unless in the next minute things change. On the other side, obviously Travis is the Goths. He's got a ton of stuff here. We've got Joel with some forward military going on. We see that Travis is kind of housing off the back of his base. I wonder if that's to protect the trade. I would assume so. Not a bad idea. So, alright. Let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, Taylor is the Lithuanians. Alex is the Goths. I am the Celts, I believe. Yes, I'm the Celts. And Jake is the Teutons. Versus the Goths are over here. The Italians. Joel is the Italians. I think Larry's the Spanish. Oh, Larry is the Slavs. And Chase is the Spanish. So, alright, let's see what happens. Boom. We got about a minute left. Is Alex going to get these guys up? You see Taylor's like walling off. Like, Taylor, he's going to just cut around it anyways. Like, at this point, you're so far behind. Like, okay, you really probably should have had. Oh, Larry, so Taylor does have docks. I wonder if that's going to play a role. I'm going to see Larry's like, we're going to go it. So Larry's through. Good thing we have that wall so that you can just cut around it. That's my thing. I'm just not a massive wall guy because of that. So Larry's sending troops in. Taylor's got a little bit of stoppage. We'll see if it actually happens. Taylor's building. This wall might do something. No, it. It's that desperate. Save it! Save them! But it's there. Taylor's building a castle. Let's look at the front over here. So Alex is losing buildings left and right. I always find this interesting, this tactic of I'm going to just build these while in the fight. I'm throwing the villagers in the fight. Seems like it kind of works, kind of doesn't. I don't know. When it works, it's really nice, though. Larry's still got troops back here, but not enough that it's the end of the world yet. Just so we can see on the other side, we're fighting, we cut through. I keep killing Jake's troops. It's been really the big struggle of this game. But I have to point out that right now, we're just seeing Larry's troops working. He's just got a flood of them going on. Taylor's building. He's utilizing the lake. Chase's castle is pretty clutch. And Alex, does he have... Where's his barracks? Do you just have, like, these three? Okay. Goth barracks, man, they're their own beast. And now we've clogged that hole. We see that Chase is going to come over here and he's going to build some military stuff to help flex on this side. Travis is throwing everything at us, man. We're just eating it. We're just absolutely eating the trash that he's throwing. It's a great time. But what's scary is these guys, and the whole game are just like, Jake, he's got the stuff that's bad. He's the bad man punted Baxter. Oh no. On the other side, Taylor's been taking them out, but it looks like they're starting to catch on that, oh, we gotta do this. But holy cow. Taylor, delete this wall and open this up. Right now you just got a death pocket. You need to delete the whole wall and open that up. Maybe that's what I would do at least. Or at least open up the side so that people can get through. Because right now we just got Mr. Death Zone over there. The other side. So Jake's going north while I'm going south. We're trying to just kill all of these things. Surprised at how little we saw of Chase this game when we were watching it. Like, maybe I'm blind, but I'm not seeing hardly any Chase. That Chase is walling off. Good idea. But it will make no difference. This game's gonna end here pretty soon. I'm fairly sure. We'll see. And there goes Alex. I love those units. The Huskarls? Yeah, the Huskarls. They're just such a cool unit. Anti-archer. Let's do it. And here goes Alex. You can't catch me. I'm the Goth Man. Oh, there's some Chase guys. Man, when you watch these lines, it's just like, oh, I hate it. Oh, and Larry quit. Which means that the game's over. Which we were sad about because on this side, we really didn't move anywhere. Travis played a good game, but he was just getting hard countered. And Joel, I think, was fine support. Yeah. So, that was the game. Here's what's little left of Chase. Is Chase, or no, Taylor's at Podcast. So who's, oh, Travis is still in it. Just going because you won't stop me. Holy cow, 70 and 60. Travis could spew Goths for days. So, let's see, for the military, I just killed a ton of Travis's units. That was that. We're going to do a rewatch of the other games. The other game, I think, was actually kind of cool. Let's see here. Larry's was pretty 1-for-1. Taylor, 1-for-1. Alex, that's a good KD for the Goths. That. Still low, but that's what happens with these short games. Yeah, with that game, I would say that Taylor utilizing the defensive lake actually was massive. So good job, Taylor. I think Larry hitting early was good. Maybe the Slavs aren't as good at, whatchamacallit. Maybe they're not as anti-infantry as I thought they were. I'm beginning to wonder if that's the case, because it's the second time in a row that Larry's tried to slob on Goth. And in theory, that's supposed to work, but it didn't work. So, I don't know, maybe. Worth a thought. So, yeah. We'll get another one up today of the better game, too. But I figured that I'd at least share that Travis played a really good side. I focused more on the other side because there's a little more action. But Travis was very good on his side and it was a pretty good game to watch.